Okay, so today is May 16 and we are leaving for Jordan in a few days. So May 20 na siya. So first time ko mag long haul flight and I'm so excited. Di ko naisip na po ito yung magiging first long travel ko. And Jordan and Petra, one of the new wonders of the world. I'm so grateful and excited for this trip. Oh, I'm deep into preparation mode. So, honestly, nakakapraning, especially pag medyo malayo talaga. Pero buti na lang kasama ko si Romeo. So, sanay naman siya mag-travel. Pero magko-compete siya. To be fair naman, the planning process has been quite smooth. And what I'm doing right now is yung mga researching places to visit, yung mga practical information, yung mga must-see na sites. I'm also looking into connectivity. So, marami namang option. Technically, okay naman yung data sa Jordan. So, yung mga eSIM and whatnot. Of course, nagdo-double check din tayo ng mga documents natin. As Filipinos, kailangan pa rin natin ng visa when we go to Jordan. And then, of course, yung mga travel insurances and then requirements sa government like e-travel. Ano din, budgeting and gathering cash para alam natin kung magkano yung gagastusin natin for the trip. And yes, the most important, but one of the more important things is aside from yung researching talaga of the sites, tumitingin din talaga ako online, like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, kung ano yung mga experience ng mga recent travelers. Kasi, dun mo makikita yung mga on the ground things talaga na, syempre hindi mo yun mababasa sa mga formal na guide, di ba? So far, ang budget ko for my entire trip, this is a 10-day trip to Jordan, is 150,000 pesos. Majority of that is the flight kasi I booked my flight maybe 2 months ago lang. And also, dahil ayoko mahiwalay sa delegation ni Romeo, I booked Qatar Airways. I think, there are other options. And if you book a little bit earlier, maybe 6 months in advance or a year, that cost of the flight can still go down. But since first time ko mag-travel, honestly, medyo iffy ako na mag-travel mag-isa. As a note, and as you know in this travel channel, hindi naman tayo luxury travel people. Pero we make sure that we put in our resources where it matters. So it's not a luxury vacation by any means, but it's also not a very tipid trip. So that's why we budgeted 150,000 for the entirety of the trip. Alam mo yung sakto lang yung comfort and then experience. Honestly, ang insight ko nga when I was planning this trip with Romeo and our friend, parang okay naman yung prices sa Jordan. The mid-range hotels can cost, parang Manila pricing lang din. So, may mga option for 3,000 to mga 6,000. And then, parang ganun din yung mga 5-star nila. Siguro mga 12,000 a night. Pero since mahaba nga yung trip namin, I'm very, very, very excited for this trip. So, ilang tulog na lang. And hopefully, it's a net positive at hindi tayo masyado ma-stress. So, I'm grateful. See you on the next vlog.